Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to cancel your Desjardins credit card. To cancel your Desjardins credit card, the first thing you'll need to do is to visit the official website. Open up a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in desjardins.com. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official website. From the main homepage, click on the Contact Us button at the top right corner. Now you'll end up in this page where you'll need to click on the Access Debit or Credit Cards option. From the expanded menu, click on Desjardins Credit Card. Now scroll down and you will be able to see phone numbers and the process displayed on the screen. Simply go ahead and call on the number displayed, and once connected, inform the representative that you want to cancel your credit card. Be prepared to answer security questions and provide your credit card information for verification. You might also need to answer a few questions for the region of cancellation, and that is how you can easily cancel your credit card for Desjardins. Ensure you have no outstanding balances in order to continue with the credit card cancellation. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.